The 2025 Delhi Assembly elections have concluded, and exit polls suggest a significant political shift. Projections indicate a strong comeback for the Bharatiya Janata Party, or BJP. The BJP is predicted to secure a comfortable majority in the 70-seat assembly. The Aam Aadmi Party, led by Arvind Kejriwal, is projected to suffer a considerable loss. The Congress Party, once a dominant force in Delhi politics, is expected to remain a marginal player. These exit poll results, if they hold true, mark a watershed moment in Delhi's political landscape. The BJP's resurgence can be attributed to a multi-pronged strategy. They effectively tapped into national sentiments while also addressing local concerns. On the other hand, the AAP appears to be facing challenges in retaining the support it garnered in previous elections. The Congress Party's continued decline reflects its struggle to connect with the electorate in the capital. The BJP strategically centered its campaign around a combination of national issues and local concerns. This resonated with a significant section of the Delhi electorate. The party effectively capitalized on nationalistic themes. The abrogation of Article 370, the construction of the Ram Temple, and India's growing global stature were emphasized during the campaign. This struck a chord with voters who prioritize national security and identity politics. Furthermore, the BJP skillfully addressed local issues that directly impact the daily lives of Delhi's residents. They highlighted concerns regarding water supply, air pollution, and law and order. These are areas where the AAP government faced criticism during its tenure. By focusing on these pressing matters, the BJP presented itself as a viable alternative capable of providing effective governance and addressing the needs of the people. The Aam Aadmi Party's performance in these elections indicates a shift in the political landscape. While the party had gained significant popularity for its focus on education, healthcare, and subsidies, the exit polls suggest a decline in their support base. This could be attributed to a number of factors: anti-incumbency, perceived unfulfilled promises, and the BJP's aggressive campaign may have contributed to this shift. The AAP had banked on its track record of providing freebies and improving essential services. However, it seems that a section of the electorate was swayed by the BJP's promises of better governance and a focus on national issues. The Congress Party's continued decline further complicates the political scenario. Their inability to present a strong and relatable leadership has led to a steady erosion of their support base. The potential victory of the BJP in Delhi holds significant implications for both the party and the national capital. It marks a shift in the political dynamics of the city. A BJP-led government in Delhi would mean greater alignment with the central government. This could potentially lead to smoother coordination on crucial matters such as infrastructure development and pollution control. For the AAP, this election serves as a critical juncture. The party needs to reassess its strategies and reconnect with the electorate. Addressing the concerns that led to their perceived decline will be crucial for their future prospects. The Delhi elections have set the stage for an interesting political landscape. The results will have a significant impact on the political discourse in the coming years.